When it comes to capturing stunning photographs, many professional photographers and videographers swear by the same essential ingredient: lighting. Whether you ask one or many, they are likely to reveal that proper lighting is their little secret to achieving high-quality shots. And we are going to start our list with Relino LED Video Light. Relino is a brand that offers LED lights at an affordable price range, putting them in competition with other reputable brands. Despite being in a lower price range, their LED video light is highly durable and efficient. The light has a small and elegant design, with a high-grade acrylic light guide plate that effectively diffuses the light, giving it a soft appearance. One of the features we particularly like is the stepless color temperature adjustment, which allows for easy selection of any color temperature between 3200K and 5600K. Additionally, the brightness of the light is fully adjustable. The LED light comes with a built-in 5000 mAh lithium battery, which provides continuous usage for 90 to 110 minutes. It is also USB powered, allowing you to connect it to various power sources such as power banks, USB wall chargers, laptops, and car chargers. The CRI of the light is above 95, which ensures high-quality light output. However, the package does not include a tripod, even though the light can be easily mounted on any shooting device. And as always, the link is in the description. If you're in search of a video lighting kit that boasts great quality construction, UBsize is the brand for you. The kit includes a small LED panel with a 1/4 universal ball head that can be adjusted up to 180 degrees, catering to your specific video recording needs. Additionally, the brightness level is fully adjustable from 10% to 100%, offering you complete control over the lighting. This video lighting kit comes equipped with 2 to 4 color filters that range from yellow, white, blue, orange, and red, making it suitable for a wide range of applications such as video conferences, product photography, YouTube videos, online courses, and more. Being a tabletop lighting solution, you can use it in various settings such as living rooms, bathrooms, offices, baby rooms, study rooms, and more. The tripod included in this kit can also be used for selfies or as a mobile phone holder. It is USB powered, making it easy to connect to your computer or laptop. Next up is OBIMU 5600K 70 LED Video Light. OBIMU offers various products that won't break the bank. One such product is their set of LED video lights, consisting of 3 light panels, each with 70 SMD LED bulbs. The overall panel is adjustable and can be tilted at any angle. While it only delivers a single light throw of 5600K color temperature, the 1000 lumens of brightness easily eliminates all dark spots around the object. You can also adjust the brightness between 10% to 100% as per your needs, and the quality of lighting is fantastic with a CRI of greater than or equal to 97. These LED video lights have a low overall power consumption of around 10 watts and can be used with any USB 5V/2A adapter. All 3 light panels come with their own tripod stands, which are height adjustable from 69 cm to 122.9 cm. The package also includes 3 diffuser filters and 3 separate filters of red, yellow, and blue color each. This set of LED video lights is an excellent value for money deal. Again, the link is in the description. Neewer is a well-known brand in the camera equipment and lighting industry for its affordability and reliability. The light panel is 5.51 by 3.74 in size and contains 66 high-quality SMD LED bulbs. It is powered by USB and can be plugged into any 5 volts, to a USB wall charger for continuous use. However, prolonged usage may not be possible if powered by a power bank or laptop. The brightness can be adjusted from 10% to 100%, but color temperature adjustments are not possible as it only produces a 5600K light. This LED video light from Neewer is an excellent choice for indoor shooting and comes as a complete package for camera enthusiasts. The package includes 2 foldable mini tripods, 2 extension rods, and 2 light filters of red, yellow, and blue color each, as well as 2 diffusers. The tripods are lightweight and can increase the tripod height from 22.5 cm to 1.16 meters, making it easier to achieve the desired shot angle. Number 1 in the list is Viltrox L116T LED Video Light. It sounds like the Viltrox L116T LED Video Light is a versatile and portable option for both photographers and videographers. With its rugged construction and lightweight design, it's easy to take on outdoor shoots. It supports multiple battery types and can also be powered with a DC adapter. The set includes 2 LED lights, allowing for creative lighting combinations. The lights can be adjusted to 2 different color temperatures and the brightness can be adjusted from 20% to 100% with the adjustment knob. Additionally, there is a small LCD panel on the back to display information about the light settings. Overall, it seems like a high-quality option for those looking for a versatile and portable LED video light.